This video is to show you how to put together your Dremel workstation. Let's start with the base. A nut that you can put in the back, and it goes down into that hole. This screw can then be tightened, and that keeps this upright metal tube in place. I'm going to secure this workstation onto this wooden table. The next step is to install the main part of the workstation. This metal pipe needs to go back into this one. If you turn it anti-clockwise as you're doing it, makes it easier for it to go down. Take this screw and this nut, and this goes on the back here. Once you've moved it into position, and you're also able to tighten and move the front of the unit via the two turn catches at the back. This is really useful to be able to store some of your accessories. And finally, popping into the very top, this part, great use of this arm is somewhere to hang your Dremel. I'm using the 8240. It's very versatile, cordless, and you can use it for pretty much anything. I'm going to be using it to attach to the flexible shaft. Wonderful. No dramas with Dremel.